Hi, in this video we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL in Windows 10. Here to download PostgreSQL, go to the website postgresql.org. Click download. You can select any OS of your choice. Now I am going to install in Windows, so I am selecting Windows. So here we can able to see there are different versions of PostgreSQL available. So we can use this installer to install the PostgreSQL in Windows 10. So here I am clicking the installer. Here we can able to see multiple versions, and the beta is the one which is not thoroughly tested. It will have all the new features, but this is suitable only for the development. Whenever you are going for a production version, you should choose the stable version. So here I am choosing 12.4. My system is 64-bit architecture, so I am selecting 64-bit. While it is downloading, we can see how to find the architecture of a system. Right click my PC, go to properties. My system is 64-bit operating system. Now the PostgreSQL installer got downloaded. Now click next. Now select the folder where you want to install this PostgreSQL. I am okay with the default file location, which is C program files, PostgreSQL and 12. So I am clicking next. Here make sure you are selecting all these 4 options. Here this pgadmin is a UI tool where you can query your database, and the stack builder is used to download and install additional tools. Now select next. This is the data directory. Here this can be changed later, so I am selecting next. Here you select a password. So the username is Postgres. So here I have created a password, and the port is 5432. Here select default local and select next. Now your installer will start downloading the files, and it will install all the 4 which we have selected, and click finish. Now I am selecting the local server on the port 5432 and select next. Now with this you can install the database drivers, the different versions of database servers. Here I have installed the 12.4. I can even install any version. For now I am okay with the 12.4 server which got installed, so I am cancelling this. Now your pgadmin got installed. Select pg and as administrator. So this is the application. Here I am entering the password. So this is the web interface through which we can create table, database, or you can query the existing tables or database. Now we can see our database doesn't have any tables or any schemas. So this is public schema, so we don't have any table. We can even create our own table. Here right click the tables to create a table. Here we can create a table by selecting this interface, cancel, and select query tool. Here you will be given with the query tool. Here instead of using that interface, you can use query to create database and tables. Thanks for watching this video. For more technical videos, subscribe to this channel, Involved Innovation.